Hey there, thanks for watching another safeandvaultstore.com video. Today we're going to compare two very similar home security safes from American Security, the AM3020 and the new AM3020PLUS. Obviously these safes are very similar, sharing many of the same specs, but the AM30PLUS does come with a few upgrades. Today we're going to cover both of them in depth, talk about their differences, and help you decide if one of these could be the security solution you're looking for. We're going to start with some of the specs these safes share. Both measure 30 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 20 inches deep externally, plus an additional 2 inches for the handle, with interiors that measure 27¼ high, 16½ wide, and 14 inches deep. Both have 12-gauge bodies with 4 pre-drilled anchor holes in the base and 1/4-inch plate steel doors secured by 3-way active boltwork consisting of 5 1¼ inch diameter steel locking bolts, as well as 3 passive locking bolts on the hinge side of the door. These safes also share the same ETL verified 45-minute fire rating. All these similarities mean both safes weigh the same as well, coming in at approximately 230 pounds. That's about where the similarities end for these two products. Obviously, the new AM3020PLUS comes with a new gloss white finish, which looks quite nice compared to the sort of denim blue textured finish they've always provided on the standard AM3020. The most important difference on these safes is going to be the lock. The standard AM3020 is equipped with an ESL5 digital lock, and the AM3020PLUS is equipped with an ESL10 digital lock. Both are just single user locks, but the ESL10 has a metal housing in place of the plastic housing on the ESL5, and it uses 2 9-volt batteries instead of just one, which provides better battery life and more consistent performance in our experience. This is also the new version of the ESL10, which has backlit buttons, and they have also moved to a tactile button rather than the membrane style keypad they had before, which was prone to wear with extended use, which could make it difficult to read. I personally think that this lock upgrade justifies the price increase more than any of the other features on this model versus the standard AM3020. The differences continue onto the interior of these safes. Both come standard with 2 adjustable shelves, but the original one is lined with this plush gray carpet material versus the new AM3020PLUS, which uses this nice quilted sort of faux leather material on the inside. The AM3020PLUS also comes with a motion sensing light attached to the top, and both safes have pre-drilled power pass-through holes in the back corner in case you wanted to add power to these safes to run dehumidifiers or something of the sort. So obviously these two safes are very similar. The AM3020 has been around for a long time. It's kind of a staple in the home fire and light security category. It's one of our top sellers year after year. The AM3020PLUS does offer some benefits. Having the light on the inside is certainly nice, and the faux quilted leather pattern is nice as well. But I think the small jump in price is mostly justified by the use of the ESL10 lock on this safe. In our experience, the ESL10 lock has been much more reliable. Rarely do we ever get calls from customers having problems with an ESL10 lock, and when they do, it's typically user error. This new backlit one is certainly convenient in my opinion. I think you couldn't go wrong with either of these safes. Both are offering the same level of protection against theft and fire. It's just a matter of which one works best for you. Thanks for watching.